Next up, we are combining some functions here. So we are given f of x is 1 minus x squared there, and we're given g of x is 2x plus 1. And we first want to find the sum function here. So all you're going to do is add f of x and g of x. So you add the two equations. So this will just be 1 minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. And we do have some like terms here. 1 and 1 will make a 2. And then we've got a minus x squared. And we've got a plus 2x. Now that's not written in descending terms. Normally we would write it as negative x squared plus 2x plus 2. F minus g at x. So you just take the equation for f of x and subtract the equation for g of x. So this will be our 1 minus x squared. And then we will subtract the 2x plus 1. So when we subtract, we're going to change the signs there and add. So this will be 1 minus x squared, and then minus 2x minus 1. So I changed that to negative, negative, and added. So 1 minus 1, those guys cancel out. 1 minus 1 is 0, and so this simplifies to a negative x squared minus 2x. And then the function fg at x, f times g at x, you're going to multiply the two functions. So this is going to be f of x times g of x. So we're just going to multiply those equations. So we've got 1 minus x squared, and we're going to multiply by 2x plus 1. So these are binomials we're multiplying, so we can just use FOIL here. So first terms, 2x, outer terms, 1, inner terms, negative 2x cubed, and then our last terms, negative x squared times 1 minus x squared. And then if you want to reorder those in descending powers, negative x cubed, oh, I'm sorry, negative 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2x and plus 1 on the end. And then f divided by g at x. So what you want to do there is f of x divide by g of x. So we're just going to take and divide the two equations here. So f of x is our 1 minus x squared up top, and we're dividing by 2x plus 1 in the denominator. And not any simplifying that we can do here. The top could factor as a difference of two squares, but it's not going to cancel the 2x plus 1 in the denominator. And then what is the domain of f divided by g? Well, this is a fraction, so we got to make sure that the denominator is not equal to 0. So we will set the denominator equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 1 from both sides. That 1 will come over as a negative. 2x is negative 1. Divide both sides by 2, and we get x is negative 1/2. So our domain here is going to be all reals except negative 1/2. So we could do all reals x not equal to negative 1/2.